Minsan, may mga taong nagtatanong sa akin, sino daw ba ako, ano daw pangalan ko, ilang taon na ako. Simple lang naman yung sagot ko eh. Who I am? My name is Marjorie I. Domingo, 22 years old from Villa Santos and City of Muñoz, Nueva Ecija.
This is who I am. After waking up in the morning, I always pray and before eating to thank God for all the blessings. As an eldest child, I engage my physical self in doing a lot of house chores. Paglalaba, pagtitiklop ng mga damit, pagluluto, pagwawalis, at paghuhugas ng mga pinggan. And of course, I do care a lot with my sexual self. Kahit pagod man sa mga gawaing bahay, hindi ko pa din hinahayaan ang sarili ko because I want to be a presentable woman in front of others and especially in front of my boyfriend so that I will earn their respect. After doing all the house chores, my digital self comes out by wasting my time through social media, scrolling on Facebook, watching on YouTube, and making a video for TikTok to post after. Also, by watching movies on TV is my only escape from all my problems. Because of being an ate on my siblings or in the family, my political self is calling me. Dapat kapag inuutusan ko sila, nasusunod agad. Dahil hindi ko na alam ang unahin ko sa mga gawaing bahay. Dapat kung ano ang sasabihin ko, papakinggan nila. After all, akala ng ibang tao, masaya at kontento na ako sa buhay ko. Pero ang hindi nila alam, I also have anxiety. I choose to be alone instead of socializing. At last, mahiyain ako sa harap ng ibang tao. And that is who I am.